Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. How are you? Horror books quiz available now, guys. Be carefully be end of watching this video because totally completely guide to you how to complete to be this horror quiz. You will be completed now. So let's start this video, and I hope you will be like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, guys, let's start now horror book quiz. Okay, guys, first question to be right answer Bram Stoker. Okay, Bram Stoker, this is the right answer. Okay, guys, next question to be right answer Shirley Jackson. Okay, this is the second question, so this question to be right answer Shirley Jackson. Question 3 quiz. Okay, what is the classic horror novel American feature about? So this question to be right answer a serial killer who happens to be successfully stress broker. Okay, this question to be second option is right answer. Okay, guys, four question to be right answer Stephen King. Okay, this question, if you're finding this type pictures of Stephen King, right answer. Fifth question, 1971 novel was the released. So this question to be right answer, I will be give you the exorcist. Okay, this option, third option, right answer, the exorcist. Who is the author of this the classic novella Turn Off? Okay, guys, like be this question, if you're finding this type picture, so this question to be right answer Henry James. Okay, Henry James, this is the right answer. Okay, if you're finding this type picture, so I will be give you right answer. Okay, guys, if you're finding this type picture interview with the vampire was the, so this question to be right answer, I will be give you Annie Rice. Okay, I will be clicking on these sections. Mary Wollstonecraft Shelley famous novel the title. This question to be right answer. Okay, guys, Franklin Modern promo. Okay, I will be click him now. Okay, if you're finding this type picture, what is was the iconic horror writer Stephen King first novel? Right answer Carrie. Okay, Carrie. Okay, fine, if you feel like be finding this type picture and questions, so this question to be right answer Hellraiser. Okay, guys, if you're finding this type quiz, so this question to be right answer Zombie. Okay, Zombie. Okay, guys, if you're finding this type picture, so if this question like be Peter Benchley. Okay, Peter Benchley, right answer. Okay, guys, Peter Benchley. Okay, second option. Okay, guys, if you're finding this type quiz, so this question to be right answer emulative horror. Okay, fourth options. Okay, guys, 14 question to be right answer, I give you HP Lovecraft. Okay, 15 question to be right answer Diane Contes. Diane Contes. Okay, this question to be right answer. Okay, guys, 16 question to be right answer IT. Okay, if you're finding this type quiz, so IT right answer. If you're finding this type quiz, so this question to be right answer vampire. Okay, okay, guys, if you're finding 18 question to be this question find so this question to be right answer. H.G. Wells. Okay, H.G. Wells. H.G. Wells. Okay. Okay, guys, if you're finding this type quiz, so this question to be right answer: the strange case of the Dr. Jekyll Hyde. If you're finding this type quiz, so this question to be right answer: the legend of Sleepy Hollow. Okay. And also to be give your email address, so then you will be receiving your reward. Okay, thank you so much for you watching my video.